In the heart of the American Southwest, among the red rocks and arid landscapes, lies a profound piece of ancient wisdom known as the Hopi Prophecy. This prophecy speaks not only to the indigenous people who have passed it down through generations, but also to a world on the brink of unprecedented transformation. As we navigate turbulent times, the prophecy of the Hopi and the metaphor of the end of the lone wolf offers a roadmap for those seeking a deeper, more spiritual approach to self-improvement. Shamanic prophecy and the perception of time acceleration. According to the Hopi prophecy, we live in an era where time is perceived as a speeding river. This shamanic vision speaks of an acceleration in the flow of time, where events and changes occur with increasing rapidity. For many, this sensation of time speeding up is palpable. Days blur into nights, and weeks into months, leaving individuals struggling to keep pace with their own lives. This phenomenon is not merely a subjective experience, but is rooted in ancient shamanic prophecies. The Hopi, along with other indigenous cultures, have long anticipated a period where time's swift current would sweep humanity towards a new epoch. This prophecy describes the challenges inherent in such times, urging us to understand and prepare for the transformative journey ahead. Impact on consciousness and transformation. The acceleration of time is more than a physical experience. It is intrinsically linked to the expansion of consciousness. As time speeds up, so too does our need for personal transformation. The pressures and challenges of a rapidly changing world act as catalysts for awakening and growth. This acceleration compels us to confront our deepest fears, desires, and truths. In the words of the Hopi, this is a time for great purification. It is a call to shed old skins, outdated beliefs, and limiting patterns. The faster flow of time demands that we evolve or be swept away by the current. This transformative process is essential for the evolution of our collective consciousness. It urges us to rise above individualism and materialism, and to embrace a more interconnected, compassionate way of being. Strategies for inner calm and resilience. Navigating this rapid flow requires inner calm and resilience. As the Hopi prophecy suggests, we must become like the rock in the river, grounded and unmovable, even as the water rushes past. Practices such as meditation, self-care, and building strong connections with others are essential strategies in this endeavor. Meditation, a practice rooted in ancient traditions, offers a sanctuary from the chaos of accelerated time. It allows us to tap into a timeless space within, fostering a sense of peace and clarity. Through regular meditation, we can develop the resilience needed to stay grounded amidst the swirling currents of change. Self-care is another crucial practice. As time accelerates, the demands on our physical and mental health increase. Prioritizing self-care helps us maintain balance and vitality. This can include practices such as mindful eating, regular exercise, and sufficient rest. By nurturing our bodies and minds, we become better equipped to face the challenges of a fast-paced world. Connecting with others is equally important. The end of the lone wolf prophecy emphasizes the need for community and mutual support. In turbulent times, isolation can be detrimental. Building strong, supportive relationships helps us navigate the accelerated flow of time. By leaning on each other, we find strength and resilience that we might lack on our own. Cosmic influences and spiritual perspectives. The concept of time acceleration is not limited to the Hopi prophecy. Various spiritual traditions recognize the influence of cosmic forces on our perception of time. Astrological perspectives, for instance, speak of planetary alignments and cycles that affect the pace of life on Earth. These cosmic influences are believed to play a role in the acceleration we are experiencing. From a spiritual standpoint, the speeding up of time can be seen as part of a grander cosmic plan. It is a period of intense learning and growth, designed to elevate human consciousness. Many spiritual traditions view this acceleration as an opportunity for profound transformation. It is a time to align with higher truths and to awaken to our spiritual potential, preparing for a faster future. To thrive in a world where time flows like a swift river, personal growth and adaptability are paramount. The Hopi Prophecy encourages us to embrace change and to prepare for the future with intention and awareness. This means cultivating a mindset of flexibility and openness. It involves letting go of rigid structures and being willing to adapt to new circumstances. Personal growth in this context is about more than acquiring new skills or knowledge. It is about deep, inner transformation. It requires us to confront our shadows, heal past wounds, and step into our true power. This journey is not always easy, but it is necessary for thriving in a rapidly changing world. Adaptability is equally important. The faster flow of time demands that we be able to pivot and adjust as needed. This might involve changing careers, adopting new technologies, or even shifting our perspectives. Embracing adaptability means being willing to release what no longer serves us and to welcome new opportunities. The end of the lone wolf, building community in turbulent times. At the heart of the Hopi Prophecy is a profound message about the importance of community. The metaphor of the end of the lone wolf signifies a time when individualism gives way to collective unity. In a world where time is accelerating, going it alone is no longer viable. We must come together, support one another, and build strong, resilient communities. This call to community is a call to action. It challenges us to reach out, to connect, and to collaborate. Building community means fostering relationships based on trust, empathy, and mutual support. It involves creating spaces where people can come together to share, learn, and grow. In these turbulent times, community offers a sanctuary. It provides a network of support that can help us navigate the challenges of accelerated time. By coming together, we amplify our strengths and mitigate our weaknesses. We create a web of interconnectedness that can withstand the pressures of a rapidly changing world. Conclusion: embracing the prophecy. The Hopi Prophecy, with its dramatic vision of time as a speeding river, offers profound insights for those seeking an unconventional approach to self-improvement. It calls us to expand our consciousness, embrace transformation, and build resilient communities. In doing so, we align with a greater cosmic plan and prepare ourselves for a future that moves with the swift current of time. As we heed the wisdom of the Hopi and the call of the end of the lone wolf, we find motivation in the face of uncertainty. We uncover hidden knowledge that guides us towards a more conscious and intentional way of living. And in the process, we discover the power of unity, resilience, and spiritual growth. In a world where time accelerates, let us become the rock in the river, grounded and unmovable. Let us come together, build strong communities, and navigate the currents of change with grace and wisdom. The Hopi Prophecy is not just a message of warning, it is a beacon of hope, lighting the way towards a more harmonious and enlightened future.